Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly on your Outlook. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. So I'm going to Chrome browser here because it's the usual one that I'm using all the time. So here search for grammarly.com. So now this is the platform that comes in front of you when you open Grammarly app in your website. So now just click on this add to Chrome. It's free. So now here you can see Grammarly AI writing and grammar checker app. So now here you can see in the blue button, just add to Chrome. Click on that and here it says add extension and click on this. So here it's being just extended in your website. So now wait a while. So it's being downloaded. So here you can see Grammarly for Chrome is now activate. So click on next here and continue the process. So here are the options where you can just try it in Google Docs, try in Gmail or Outlook. So now just click on this Outlook and you need to just sign in here to the Outlook. Just write your email. So here you can see you have added Grammarly on your Outlook. In this way, you can just activate your Grammarly in your Outlook easily. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.